This guy's cute as fuck.
I think he is.
Ollie.
He's really cute.
Yeah, he can't run that fast too.
Oh my god, bro.
Sweet dreams are made of